Hey buddies, welcome to LTechs. So this is my new YouTube channel and this is my first video. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a bootable USB pen drive. So for that you need these two files. One is the ISO file of the operating system which you want to install. I have downloaded here Windows 7 Professional. If you want any other operating system ISO files, then you can download like Windows 8, 10 or Ubuntu, any other. So another is this Refuse application which helps to install the operating system into the pen drive. So I have given the links in the description, check it out. So before this you have to plug in a pen drive. I have plugged in my pen drive here. So after plugging, open the file Refuse. So it will show like this. So here the first you have to select the pen drive, and here in the second column you have to select the ISO file. So here it is, Windows 7 Professional. Yeah, and leave all the settings as it is, then click start. Okay, so this will take a little bit time, so I will pause the video. Yeah, here we go. So it is totally completely installed in the pen drive. You can see here. So you can reboot your system and install the operating system into your computer. So thanks for watching, and comment in the comment box what you want the next video. I will try my best to do that. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.